Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you see all this stuff in the background, that's because I've been shooting videos and one of them happened to be a wig video, and I ain't putting this stuff up or threw nothing away yet because I'm going back to back. I'm on some Drake stuff right now. I'm back to back, you know. Why that camera went unfocused, I don't know, but like I said, she's going back to back on these videos. She's tag teaming. I'm it. All right, so real quick, I have a unboxing from Influenster. Actually, I was not expecting this. Did not know it was coming. I don't even think I did a survey for this. It just came, child. So this is your best and easiest holiday ever. So this is a holiday unboxing from Influenster. Now, if you're not hip on Influencer, Influencer is a service where you can get to try different products for free. You get to try like makeup, perfumes, jewelry. I've seen people try jewelry, vacuums, humidify, all kinds of stuff. You get to try all kinds of stuff. They send it to you for free, and all they want you to do is be honest and do a couple of little things as far as reviews, or go follow them on certain social media sites, or write a review on their website. So they just want you to do different things, to kind of let people know about the product that they sent you, which I don't mind doing because I ain't got enough time. And you probably like, don't you work? Yes, I do. With the way my job's set up, I ain't got enough time. So they did send me this, and yes, let's get into it. So I've already opened it, so I know what's in here. But I thought it was really neat. So this is everything. Hope you can see it. That's everything. So let's get into all the stuff that they sent me. So first it says, have a stylish holiday with all the fuzz, Chinet. So all these products are from the Chinet line. Y'all ain't even know nothing about no Chinet line. I ain't lying. I buy a great value paper plates. Let me just tell you. Okay. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, they sent me these products. They just want me to do a review on them, which is quite easy. And when I opened it, I was really, this is what I will say. Hold on, y'all. My children just disrespectful because they don't film it, and I can still hear them. Like, I hear you, okay? I hear you. All right, so like I was saying, I was really shocked at these products. One, because they looked really classy, and they did not look like they were plastic. So I was like, what the heck? So the first thing I'm gonna show you is this is called Cut Crystal, and that's how it came. So let's take one out. And how cute is that? That is really cute. I think that's really cute. Close the door all the way. Alright, so the next thing they sent me were the saucers, and they are the Chinet 12-inch plastic plates. The other ones were just plastic cups, and they come in a set of 25. Let's try to open this. They're just your typical plates. And I like these because they're more sturdier than paper plates, so I think that's really neat. Yeah, I like those because of the sturdiness. They did send silverware, and it's 48 pieces, 16 forks, 16 knives, 16 spoons. Not gonna open it because y'all know what forks and spoons look like. I hope so. The next thing is the thing that I got excited about, honey, because I can have a little get together and I don't have to buy no glasses, and I will still rinse these out because that's how cute they were and they are. These are the Chinet 8 stemless wine glasses. Now, when I first seen these, I thought they were actually wine glasses, like real wine glasses, but they're not. They are plastic, and like it says, it comes as a set of 8. Child, you know I'm gonna have some parties. I love the design. It's like a slant in the cup. This is so freaking cute. Like, you be like, girl, girl. How your cup out things be like, yes, girl, because you know. Because he said this. But when he said it, I wasn't even worried. Because guess what? Plan B was sitting right over there and he didn't even know, honey. He didn't even. Okay. I'm just saying. Like, this is cute and, like, really, really pretty. So, that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be using everything that I got from Chinet. Shout out to Influenster. Shout out for Chinet. Had I not got sent these products, I would not have known about them or the company. So yeah, you probably like, girl, you don't know about Chinet? No, because I told y'all that I be getting great value, paper plates and paper cups. So like, don't try my life. But when I'm throwing a party and I want to be bougie and cute, and she don't want to have to wash dishes, I don't know, because I might still wash these because these is cute. But if she want to be fancy and cute for the low, she might purchase these. So I am finna get out of here. Why am I blurry? Get your life. But yeah, I thought these were really cute, really neat, and the fact that I got to try them for free is always a plus, and they will be used for the holidays. That's all I can say. And these wine glasses are gonna be used for my girls' night. That's all I can say about that too. Or shoot, even when I ain't having a girls' night, if I just got some wine, I'm gonna use them cups. Shall get you right. Alright. I'm finna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember simplikeii will always say you're beautiful because you simply are. And once again, thank you, Chinet. Thank you, Influenster. I definitely appreciate you guys sending this out to me. It came right on time, and I will be. Ooh, I'm making chocolate cake and lemon cake. I might serve it on these plates. Well, we might get fancy and drink out these cups because Mama bought some punch for the holiday. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go playing this out. I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Bye.